Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Real quick little video. I made a video the other day on how to make this, and I'll make this part 2, so if you want to watch it, you can go back. But when I was using the interactive fill tool to get my shadowing, I went like from up there to up here, and then I turned it black. All right. Well, you get real happy with that, and you go, boy, I wish I could do the exact same thing on the other side. Well, you could probably mimic it pretty close. But what you could also do is click on that one that doesn't have the interactive fill. Go to, and this normally doesn't work, but it works in this case. We're going to go copy properties from fill and then click on your fill so it looks the same, but then go back to the interactive fill tool and make sure you have that one selected and go right here and reverse the fill. So now it's a mirror image of each other one. Now, a lot of times you can't do that because it's at a different angle, or so if you look, this is dark, everything's the same. And once again, you could put a black line around that thing and kind of make it stand out a little bit more. So give that a try. It would really help you. But it's not going to help you all the time, because if you had one going off at this angle and one going off that angle, and they're not at both 45 degrees or whatever, it isn't going to work. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.